Hey, this is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Services, and today I'm coming to you from the Wilderness Resort in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. I'm going to show you a little bit around the Wilderness Resort. This is the place where me and my family, we come here every December for like a little winter break. We've been coming here maybe like over 10 years, 15 years. And so I'm going to show you guys around a little bit here in the wilderness in the water park capital of the world, Wisconsin Dells. Let's go. If this is your first time checking out my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If this is your first time checking out my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell. That way you'll be able to stay up to date on all my upcoming YouTube videos, and you'll get a notification each time I post a video. So go ahead, hit that button down there, hit that bell, hit the like button, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks.